Hey. Went on PEI, you have to come to cows, right?
That's right.
John and Debbie.
Just for you.
I get a milkshake.
Continue on Cape Tryon Road for 1 kilometer.
Weird roads up here. So we stopped there to see the lighthouse. It was a little bit out of the way, but not too bad. But the best part about that was
The eagles.
the eagle family that was there. That was cool. The cliffs and that eagle were just spectacular. So we decided we'd come back to Cavendish Grove, Prince Edward Island National Park. That's a mouthful.
That is a mouthful.
And it looks like it's a little walkway that we can take a hike on. Looks like we can take Maggie, so let's go stretch our legs and go do that.
Sounds good.
We just did that trail out. We didn't go all the way to the beach because we're having to really watch how much Maggie walks in the humid.
You couldn't take Maggie on the beach, though.
And we could go to the overlook, but we had to turn around because she just wasn't ready to go that far. And while we were out there, Lynn found what we hope will be one of the neatest places that we've ever boondocked or wild camped at. Is what is it?
It is a drive-in theater.
Wow.
So we can watch a movie and
Watch two movies
and spend the night.
Spend the night
for $25
Canadian. So as we were getting back to the van, we met Tim from Washington State. And he has an electric bike, and you probably already know that our rad bikes are messing up. So I'm asking everybody about what kind.
Bikes, yeah.
Tim, it was good to meet you, and we appreciate all the information. And maybe we'll see you out on the road someday. And you know, guys, it's really neat to meet people that are. He is such a long. He and his wife are so far away from home. We thought we were a long ways from home, but he's a long way from home, and you just got to go and just have a good time. It's awesome to meet people that have that much courage to just leave home and enjoy the summer. So, on the way to go to the drive-in, we had to stop and get gas because we don't let it go below half a tank anymore because you never know there's going to be another station. So we're looking for a place to eat, and then just right in front of the gas station, there's a little snack shack, and so we just ordered burgers and drinks and fries, and we're just going to sit out here on a picnic table and eat dinner before we go to the road. Yeah, you can see cars going by. Yep. And here's the little shack. It's called Big Mama's Pit Stop, but I didn't see any Big Mamas in there, so I don't know where they got their name. And it's not a very big building, so that's not how they named it. But they have ice cream and burgers and different things. Maggie gives it 2 paws up because she likes the way it smells and she got to get out. So we've got to kill a little bit of time because we can't get into the movie drive-in until at least 7, I think. So we've never done this before, you know, sleep at a movie theater.
It's kind of weird.
Drive-in. It's weird.
Be pretty loud.
Yeah, it might be. And then the second movie doesn't start until 11:30. So it's got to be what, 11:30, 12, at least 1:30 before that thing ends. I don't know. This might be a big mistake. Who knows? So I don't know if this speaks highly for the restaurant or not, but Maggie didn't get a lot of hamburger because there wasn't a lot left. So I thought mine was awesome. How was yours?
It's good.
Good little choice.
Stay in your seat.
Really neat little place. We ate outside. Believe it or not, it was pretty cool to sit out there. So that bodes well for being able to sleep well tonight. And I guess that's the next thing to do is head towards our bed and breakfast slash campground slash drive-in movie theater.
We're just a little early, so we just wanted to check it out before we actually
stay here for a while. Screen number 1. There's nobody in there yet, is there?
Mm-mm.
I wonder if that's where you're supposed to come in. I guess I came in the wrong place.
Yeah.
I guess I'll wait right here till somebody else says they can.
We're not going to just sit here till they open.
Okay. So you see out the mirror there, but they're backed up out to the road now behind us. It's going to be fun.
So Barbie's one. This one over here is 3.
Hi there. 2 adults, and we understand we can spend the night if we stay. That is awesome.
Oh, when you come out tomorrow, come back in through the middle. Don't go on the side. It's too skinny.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Thank you.
Back row. Where's the back row?
Back road. Must be on the back road.
Are we back here? Is this
What is the number? 90.9.
99.9.
90.9.
Oh, yeah, I was looking at.
Gotta be on the back.
I guess we're back here.
Yeah.
Right.
It looks good to me. Does it look good to you?
It looks good to me. We're testing out the volume.
I wonder if we can lay in bed and watch it. Okay, here's out of our windshield. Way up there, that's the screen, but it's going to look pretty big. Not really. What it looks like now with all the people in front of us, but we can still see. So one of the things you have to do if you come to a drive-in movie is go get popcorn, right? So we're gonna get our free drinks and our popcorn. This is the line to get in. Wowzers.
What you got?
Popcorn and 2 drinks, dear.
Awesome. I did. I heard them.
You did? What time was it when they all
about
left?
2, a little after 2.
You were still awake at 2 last night?
Yeah.
Man, were you worried about that movie or?
No. Maggie was laying on me.
Oh, little Magdalene was laying on her. Got all kind of little paths we can take out here today. Pretty cool. Always make it cleaner than you found it.
Yeah.
Here's the #1 theater screen during the daytime. Little jukeboxes and cars out here, and a cool place for kids. I think they show more children's movies over here and not at the other one, but here's how big the screen is when you're standing close to it. Pretty cool. We're not sure if this one's bigger than the other one or not. I don't know. You don't think it is? I think they're about the same, aren't they?
Yeah. I think like the bottom part maybe.
Yeah. That's cool.
So I think the actual parking area is a little bit bigger, and of course the concession stands on.
Yeah, you wouldn't have to walk as far. They have electric car chargers, at least for 2 spots. That's pretty cool. And you can tell this used to be the real theater because they've got the little poles. You remember those? Some of you young whippersnappers that watch us, you don't remember that at all. You've never seen them, but there used to be these things on each one of those poles on both sides. And when you pulled up beside of it, you just hang that little speaker on the window and roll the window up. And that's how you heard the movie that was playing. You know, last night we heard the movie in stereo through our surround sound system inside the van, which was cool because they now broadcast it on FM radio. But back in the day, you had to hang that thing on the window. And don't ask me how I know this, you had to remember to take it off the window when you left at night. Sometimes you can get in a hurry and want to beat the crowd out. You either break your window or you're buying a speaker.